Good afternoon, everybody. I'm coming to you today. Got a 1996 Dodge Ram 3500 four-wheel drive. Got the big V10 in it. Got 155,000 miles on it. Customer was heading up north, taking his trailer up to deer camp, getting it all ready for opening morning, the 15th of November, and turned into quite the disaster for him. On his way up there, he picked up a miss. Didn't think too awful much about it. Then it started smoking. And then it got louder and louder and louder. Well, I ended up going up there with Black Betty there in my truck and trailer and bringing the truck back down here and started doing some diagnosis with it, and this is what we found. Found that spark plug right there. The porcelain and the electrode busted off, went down, smacked the piston, and from there on it's kind of history. It's a Bosch plug, but she come apart on him. I've got my scope down in there. I can take it. You can see right there the indentation on the top where the electrode hit, and you can see the big chunk of piston that come out. It went and done some pretty good damage to the whole thing. All the other cylinders are perfect. Just this one right here where that spark plug broke off. So we're going to go ahead and R&R this engine out for him. He'd like to take and put a Cummins down in it, but as of right now, budget won't let it happen for him. So we're going to take and already got another engine for him. This one right here. It's a pretty low mileage engine, runs out real good. We're gonna do a few things to her before we even stuff her and make sure she's all sealed up and everything. But I'll make another video of it with it running, keep you informed of what's going on with her. But can't believe that little bugger come apart. First death of a V10 I've ever heard of. I haven't worked on many of them. Only bad thing I've ever heard about the V10s in the Dodges or in the Fords is they like to drink their gas. Other than that, I haven't heard of very many maintenance problems that they've had. So, well, y'all have a great day out there. Be safe. And I'll be posting another video of her running. So, thank you much. We'll see ya. Bye.